Lockdown with bestie.
In my perspective, this pandemic could have been handled in a better manner. If the government wasn't incompetent in the first place, we wouldn't have this second wave of COVID cases. We wouldn't reach the point wherein hospitals are starting to be full again. We wouldn't have to reach the point wherein people are very hesitant in getting a COVID vaccine because of the government and them not being transparent with the data that they are giving us.
That is true though.
In my opinion, the government should trust the medical practitioners because in the first place, those medical practitioners are the ones who are responsible of taking care of the patients, and they are very knowledgeable with how diseases work, how they can prevent them, and what's the treatment that they should do in handling certain types of diseases. Aside from this, letting the medical practitioners take over the handling of this pandemic would be more efficient because they would be able to generate better health protocols that people will follow. The government should also lessen the use of the military forces because it is not efficient and it will only bring unnecessary fear towards the people.
Very true.
To summarize, what are my suggestions in handling this pandemic? Like what I said earlier, I really think that the medical practitioners should be the one in charge of handling this pandemic so that there are better health protocols to be followed. It should not stop there with the compensation. They should also give us proper data with accurate updates regarding the cases, the deaths, and the recoveries, and they should also be transparent with the vaccine so that there will be no hesitancy with the people to get vaccines because vaccines do work and it is important for us to reach herd immunity faster.
I have so much respect to the Philippine healthcare workers for doing their very best and for their never-ending support for their patients. However, what lacking here in the country is the support from our government to them. Many are dying, but what matters most to the government is not the resolution for the pandemic, but I think what is more important to them is the other matters like international relations, like that. Just like all other countries, Philippines is also battling in the current pandemic. There are accommodations in the hospitals, but it's very risky to get admitted because of the rising numbers of cases of the COVID here in our country. That's it.